Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. Um, as you can see, we are now in our living room and we are fixing to decorate for Christmas, starting with the Christmas tree. Now, this tree that we have right here in the living room, it is a pre-lit tree, and unfortunately, the lights stopped working on it, so we had to put our own lights on it. No big deal, but we wanted to make decorating the tree a fun family activity, and so therefore we're just kind of decorating the tree. Um, One thing I will say is this, when it comes to interacting with your family, well, especially with mine, I was like, it's my first time to make it like a Christmas YouTube decorate with me video. And so I will say in some parts of the video, I was kind of getting a little irritated. And you'll probably see that or hear that in my voice. But anyway, I mean, we really have fun with it. But at the same time, it's kind of like, okay, we're doing this for my channel, okay, and all that stuff. So anyway, so just bear with me as, we decorate and all that stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys that because yeah, my daughter and my husband, they were just kidding around with me, and I was like, okay guys, it's enough. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this and enjoy watching us decorate the tree. But anyway, yeah, my daughter, she loves this time of year. This is like her favorite time of the year. She likes the cold weather and all that stuff. So she really just loves, decorating the tree. And of course, so does my husband. So anyway, just enjoy watching us decorate the tree for the holiday season. Okay, so we are continuing with the tree. We got finished with the lights part, and now we're on to the Christmas ornaments, putting the ornaments onto the tree. So anyway, and like I said, here in a few minutes or here in a little bit, you're gonna start to see my daughter and my husband kind of fooling around with the ornaments and stuff. So anyway, enjoy. I hope you guys totally enjoy watching us do this.
Yeah, that one probably needs to go down low because it's kind of heavy. This can go
up. Oh, look at this.
So probably I'm not going to see it in the focus. It's kind of far back.
Hey, look at this.
Look at this. All right. 2013.
You missed it, Nicole. I said, look at this.
Hey.
It was hanging on her ear.
Okay, can you keep that without the music going? I would have.
I don't know, Nicole. I won't know until I edit. Stop.
I just want to show her what I did. I had it like this.
That's hilarious. Wait, I want to show them just up close. Say hello to Mr. Dude. Yeah, this is the one that like I used in front of the camera on the little like Christmas special that you did that one year whenever you were just practicing. Right.
Alright, now make sure y'all do start from the top and work your way down.
As long as I got small ornaments, I'm putting
This
them at the
guy
top.
belongs on the top.
Yeah, he's.
We are nearing the end of this video here. And I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for watching my channel and watching this video. My family and I enjoyed it a lot. And like I said, you probably heard a little bit of irritation from me. But anyway, like I said, this is my first time to make a video for YouTube. So anyway, I had fun, even though it didn't sound like I was having fun, but I did have fun with my family. And, this is one of the best times of the year to kind of spend with your family and friends through the holiday season. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And anyway, we just appreciate you guys stopping by and enjoying decorate our tree with us. So anyway, I will be posting a new video after this one. Will be another Christmas decorate with me or decorate with us video. And anyway, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed watching us decorate our Christmas tree down here in the main living room. See you guys later. Bye.